for Canon PIXMA. Canon PIXMA. This here is real. This here the you type the driver download, and this is why I am search the official website for you. I am like to download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the driver and software download. And this here for the official website, and I click here. Okay, this here for the printer serial, and you click here for the driver. This why this here for the detect automatic your operating system. This here for the detect automatic for your operating system Windows 8, and I am need change the operating system. You click here, and this here for the all operating system. View all operating system. This here for the new driver for operating system. For the driver Mac and driver Linux, driver Mac 12 and driver Mac 11. This here for new operating system. In this here for Mac 8 driver, click here. And this here for the detect automatic for the system operation for the driver Mac and Mac 12, and detect automatic your operating system. If you need to install for the Mac 12 driver, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you connect you connect the laptop for the Wi-Fi. This here for the detect automatic operating system. Okay. This here for the this video you need to load for the drive for Windows 11, and before the Windows 11 I am show for you for the Mac for the Linux driver. Click here for the Linux. This here for the Linux driver. If you need to load, you click to load. This here for the language operating system, language support, and operating system for the Linux. The driver this here for the printer, and software is a printer driver for the printer using the Canon EG printer. This here for the beyond package driver. This video I am need to download for driver Windows 11. You click here for the driver Windows 11, and please wait finish. You please wait loading. This here for the recommended for you. This here for the driver Windows 11 support. You looking the release update, and this here for the driver will be provide full driver and scanner functionality for your product. This here for the support for the printer, for the Wi-Fi, for the this here for the printer Wi-Fi support for the printer and scanner for your operating system. And this here for the driver serial setup package for the operating system for Windows 11 support. You look in the release update. This here for the new release update. Here the driver. Here the driver and software the printer. You look in the tile, more the tile. This here for the product printer driver Windows 8 and Windows 11 support. This here for scanner support, and this here for the driver install. So you're following scanner. Okay, this here for the connect your printer USB cable. Okay, this here for compatibility operating system. This here for the operating system Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7 support, and this here for the language support and Spain and Italian and English support, Portuguese support. This here for Japan support language. This here for system recruitment for the Windows 11, and this here for the setup and tutorial install node installation for your product. Okay, your this here for the history and file, and this here for the mobile model your printer. Okay, If you need download, you click here for the download. Okay, you click here download. This here for the driver download. If you need to install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and your finish please write finish driver download. You double click for your driver. You click continue and next. This here for the automatic install for your product your USB cable printer. Okay, now you turn on the printer. Okay, if you need question